Hello everyone, how are you today? If you're new to my channel, my name is Wana, and every week I try to share content that I'm implementing in my life to improve my personal finance and also to create wealth. So right now we're currently going through a pandemic, a health crisis, and so many families and so many people are struggling right now. So this is just another content I'm trying to share with people to let people know that there are options out there for you to get yourself set up properly. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that way you will be notified by YouTube when I have new content up. And also, as usual, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Just smash that thumbs up button. Okay, so let's get into my topic today. So the topic today, I'm sure you probably saw from my thumbnail, is why you should start an Amazon FBA business in 2020. So like I just mentioned, right now we're going through a very difficult time all over the world, especially in the United States right now. We have over 40 million people unemployed. People are relying on the government for weekly sustenance, stimulus checks and all that. So it is very sad that the regular economic model that we have, where you have to go to work and a paycheck and be able to take care of a family, is failing us, which is why I keep preaching that people must have multiple sources of income. So starting an Amazon FBA business is also another way for you to generate income for yourself on a passive level. You still have to put in some work. However, it's something that you can set up once and then it just keep running itself. Okay, so basically for you to start your Amazon business, you have to register an account with Amazon. So there are two levels that you can register for. There's the individual level where you sign up. It's pretty easy. You go through the whole process to sign up, and then you get charged every time you make a sale. All right, and that's basically for people that don't make a lot of sales. But if you really want to kick things up, if you want to really set yourself up, you want to sign up for the professional account, which I think is about $40 a month. That's what I personally use. I use the professional account. So basically what the FBA means is fulfillment by Amazon. Okay, there's also what's called fulfillment by merchant, and I'll explain both. So with the fulfillment by Amazon, basically Amazon does all the fulfillment for you. So that means they do the shipping, they do the warehousing, they do the customer service, and they help handle all the processes for you. Okay, your main focus is sourcing for products, sourcing for distributors, okay, and then having your products shipped to Amazon's warehouses, which are located all over the United States and globally. And then Amazon places your items on the shelf. So when a customer orders from your store, Amazon does all the shipping and handling and all that stuff for you. So pretty much, all you're responsible for is just making sure that you get products into Amazon. That's it. Okay, which is why I said it's a very great model, where you don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to deal with running to the post office or UPS store or FedEx trying to ship your products. So basically Amazon handles all that for you. However, FBM stands for fulfillment by merchant. In this case, you will be the one running around, you'll be the one shipping your products, you'll be the one answering the calls, you'll be the one dealing with customer service. Okay, so in this case, that's more labor intensive on your part, but also you get to make more of a profit margin. With the FBA model, there are fees associated with running FBA, because Amazon, obviously it's a business and they're in the business of making money. So even though they're helping you with all these other extra services, there is actually a fee associated with doing FBA. Overall, I think it's a fair fee to pay, considering the fact that they're handling all the stuff for you. They're tracking all your products, they're tracking all your shipments, they're doing all that for you. So I think it is a fair deal if Amazon charges you a fee for the service. Okay, so something else to also be conversant about is, it doesn't mean that you can just ship any products to Amazon, okay? It doesn't mean you can just sell any products. There's something called when you're gated and when you're ungated. So Amazon has a system in place where they try to protect their customers and also protect you, okay, and protect their sellers. Okay, so that's what the term gated means. So there are certain categories that you'll be gated. So that means just think of a physical gate. Okay, you've been gated, so that means you're restricted from selling that particular product. Okay, when you're ungated, that means you're free to sell that particular product. That means the gate has been opened for you. So you could be gated for a brand. So let's say Mattel, for instance. You could be gated to sell Mattel. You could be gated to sell toys, which is a category. And then you could be gated in a subcategory as well. All right, so it's always advisable to make sure that you find out what brands or categories you're gated for and try to get ungated before you start ordering stuff from distributors. But the beauty of it is there's many distributors today that will actually help get you ungated, and there are also ungating services out there where you can pay for them to get you ungated in different categories and brands. Okay, so that's pretty much what FBA is in a nutshell. However, I do have a link down here, a side disclaimer. I also do affiliate marketing. So if you do click the link down in my description, I will earn a commission if you do decide to, sign up for that program. But you don't have to. Okay, there are lots of resources out there on how to start an Amazon FBA business. But I think this is the best time for you to get involved, because with the way things are going right now all over the world and also in the United States, with the economy and all that, you have to have multiple sources of income. You can't rely on just one source of income. Okay, and starting an e-commerce store, in this case Amazon, all right, is one of the fastest ways to start generating sales and building a business. I also am an Amazon FBA seller. Okay, I just started selling on Amazon, and the results have been tremendous. Okay, the return on my investment has been phenomenal. Okay, so all I'm saying is results are not typical. Like everything else, you have to put in the effort. I had to put in the effort to learn how to order products, how to source for distributors, okay, how to analyze data to make sure that the products that I'm shipping to Amazon will eventually sell. Okay, so there is a lot more intricate things that you have to learn. Okay, it's just like everything else. All right, if you want to start a business, you have to know what you're doing. Okay, you can't just start a business and just expect that money is just gonna flow. So don't listen to people that tell you, oh, just start Amazon FBA and everything is all set, you're gonna start making money right away. You will make some money, but there's a learning curve. You have to learn all the intricate details. Okay, there are certain terms that you need to know, just like I just mentioned, being gated or ungated. You got to know these terms. Okay, so if you're going into a particular business, you need to know the lingo, you need to know the terms, you need to know what exactly it involves, to get started in this particular business. So I think you should definitely give Amazon FBA a consideration. It's another source for you to make money on your part, okay, without being physically involved with shipping products and handling products. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is just set up your seller's account, okay, set up your store, start sourcing for distributors, create relationships with these distributors, buy products. So basically you buy products at wholesale prices. So you buy them cheap, you mark them up, and you sell brand name products. That's it. That's the key. That's what all your big box stores are doing, like your Target or Target for those who are more sophisticated. Your Walmarts do the same thing. They buy products cheap from manufacturers, at a discounted price. They mark them up and then they put them on their shelves and sell them. So you're basically doing the same thing, but you're doing it on Amazon's platform. That's basically what it is. So you buy low, you sell high, and you sell brand name products. That's it. And then you keep repeating and doing that. You keep doing it. So my first product that I started was during the initial phase of the health pandemic. That was back in March. I ordered chalk, the colored chalks that you can, kids can use to draw on driveway. And within 3 weeks, I was sold out, because don't forget, parents were home, kids were home, everybody was on lockdown, everybody was going crazy. Parents were trying to get kids to go out and play. So those chalks went flying off the shelves. Another product that I also sold on my site was playing cards cards that you play games with, okay? Because people are all at home, they're cooped up at home, people are looking for things to do. So I had those cards up and they were sold out, okay? So I have other products that I have being shipped into Amazon right now, into my store, and that's how I'm creating multiple sources of income for myself. So everything I am saying here, I am doing. So I'm not just making videos and telling people about stuff that I'm not actually practicing. So I am practicing what I'm preaching, okay? And I just want to share this with you. There are options out there. Don't be blinded by things. Don't listen to all the gloom and doom on the news today. Yes, I know things are tough, things are bad, but you know what? It's all your mindset, okay? You decide what happens to you, okay? You decide the outcome in your life, okay? So take charge of your life, as usual. Stay focused. And like I said, my channel is all about personal finance, wealth creation, investing, and business, okay? So I have different topics that I talk about. So I hope you found this very useful. Click on the link below in my description, to take a look at a program that might really help you start your own business. All right, so thank you very much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button, I appreciate it. And also I'll have some more videos here for you to watch, okay? Thank you very much. I hope you have a nice day. And if you have any comments, please, I do respond to every single comment, okay? And I'll talk to you soon. See you at the next video. Bye-bye.